Hello everyone, today let us cook this lungfish, the eel. Will you try it first? This fish is very soft. At first, let us prepare some parts. The green onion, the ginger, the garlic. That's enough. At first, let's hot the cooking pot. Let's add some animal fat oil. Put all the green onions, the garlic and the ginger into the oil. Let's add the eel, the lungfish, into the cooking pot. Now, have you seen the fire? Now, let's add the hot water. Remember, if you want to drink the soup, drink the white soup, remember to add the hot water instead of the cold water. The hot water. Now, let's add the cover on the cooking pot and wait for another 20 minutes. After 5 minutes later, the soup is boiling right now, and we have to wait another 15 minutes. Would you like to come in with me to eat it together? So we have to add the ground white pepper into the soup. Now let's add some salt only. While we are waiting for the soup to be ready, let's do some cleaning work, do some housework in the kitchen. Okay everyone, now the meal is ready. Now the lungfish soup is ready. Will you come in together to eat with me? Okay, now let us have a try. At first, let us have a taste of the soup. Wow, this soup is the best, the most delicious soup I have ever tried ever before. Okay, let us have a try of the fish. You can see there is a bone in it, but the bone actually is also very soft too. Very delicious fish. The eel. Okay, now let's cook the tomatoes fried with eggs. Very traditional food. At first, let's add the vegetable oil into the cooking pot and hot it using the fire. The oil, the vegetable oil, is nearly heating well. Now let's put the eggs inside the cooking pot at first. Okay, the oil is very hot right now, so now let's add the eggs inside the cooking pot. In the meantime, let's add the tomatoes. Now let's add the green pepper. Now let us add some soy sauce. Now let's add a little bit, a tiny salt. 老婆好吃吗这个鱼? Okay, now I am eating the fish together with my wife. The rice, the white rice, lungfish, tomato fried with eggs.